In this video, we are going to discuss the conditions so that we have unique solution, no solution or infinite solution. We are given set of linear equation and I have written them in standard form. So everything equal to 0. Ax plus by minus c is equal to 0 and lx plus my minus n is equal to 0. Now you remember, for unique solution, what was the formula for unique solution? The formula was a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, and what were the standard equations? a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So now a1 and a2 are the coefficients of x, b1 and b2 are the coefficients of y. So what is a1 here? I am just putting the values here, just check it here. a1 is a upon a2 is l, not equal to b1 is b and b2 is m. So we'll write for unique solution. This should be the condition. That means am is not equal to b1 l. Now this is how you have to solve this. For unique solutions, am should not be equal to b1 l, right? In the next question, we have to find out the condition to have no solution. Now for no solution, the condition was, so a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Once the equations are reduced to standard form. So first I will reduce it to standard form. 3x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. And then 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y minus 2k plus 1 is equal to 0. Although you can keep the constants, both the constants in the right hand side, because negative will cancel. But since we have made it our habit to take everything to LHS, I will do it this way only. So now I have to write a1 by a2. So what is a1? a1 is 3 upon a2. What is a2? a2 is 2k minus 1 is equal to b1. y का कोफिशिएंट क्या है? 1. यहाँ पर y का कोफिशिएंट क्या है? k minus 1 is not equal to c1. c1 is minus 1 upon minus में 2k plus 1. राइट. नाउ व्हाट आई वाज टेलिंग यू कि अगर हम इसको लेफ्ट में नहीं लाते हैं, वी कीप इट इन राइट हैंड साइड ओनली. आई विल राइट 1 अपॉन 2k प्लस 1. माइनस से माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये वही आ जाएगा. बट देन यू नीड टू रिमेंबर आइदर बोथ c1 एंड c2 इन द लेफ्ट और बोथ c1 एंड c2 इन द राइट. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है कि एक में c1 इन द लेफ्ट और एक में c2 इन द राइट. नाउ दिस इज द कंडीशन फॉर नो सोल्यूशन. अब नो सोल्यूशन के लिए अब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 3k माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 2k माइनस 1. सो वील गेट k इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3 उधर जाएगा, 3 माइनस 1 दैट इज़ 2. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू मी k की वैल्यू अगर हम 2 सब्सटीट्यूट करते हैं तो इस आंसर, इस इक्वेशन का क्या आना चाहिए? नो सोल्यूशन. लेट अस चेक. द फर्स्ट वन रिमेन्स एज इट इज़ ओनली. सेकेंड में इफ़ आई पुट k इज इक्वल टू 2, 2 2 is 4, 4 minus 1 3x plus k minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 1y. That means y is equal to 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. This is your second equation. First was 3x plus y is equal to 1. Now let us check with this condition. a1 by a2. a1 by a2 क्या आएगा? 3 by 3 which is equal to 1. b1 by b2 वो क्या आएगा? 1 by 1 which is equal to 1. c1 by c2 क्या आएगा? 1 by 5. Now you can check I have kept the constants in the right only, and then also I have written c1 by c2 as 1 by 5. Now you can check that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Hence the given system of equation has no solution, and that means whatever value I have found is correct. So this is how I can check my answer that k is equal to 2 is the value of k for which this given system of equation has no solution. Now see this question. In this question we have to find out the value of c such that this given system of equation has infinite solution. Now for infinite solution, the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Right. Now you can check here, in one of the equation the constant is in right while the other the constant is in left. So my first work is to make them same. दैट मीन्स हम पहली वाली इक्वेशन को लिख लेते हैं सी एक्स प्लस 3y माइनस सी माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड द सेकेंड वन रिमेन्स as it is only because उसमें constant is in left and right hand side is equal to 0. Now see, I have to write a1 by a2. So a1 is c upon a2 is 12 is equal to 3 by c, b1 by b2 is equal to c1. c1 is minus में c minus 3 upon minus में c. So this get cancelled. Now we have to find out the value of c. So let us multiply both of this. So c square is equal to 12 3s are 36. Now that means c is equal to plus minus 3. Now you have to be very sure that you are writing this plus minus because otherwise एक आंसर मिस हो जाएगा because 6 का स्क्वायर भी 36 होता है, माइनस 6 का स्क्वायर भी 36 होता है. So in grade 9-10 you should be using plus minus symbol. But now it is showing two answers. So I need to cross check. What will I do? I'll solve this part also. So 3c is equal to c into c minus 3. Now here you can tell that c से c आप कैंसिल कर दो, but c से c अगर मैंने कैंसिल कर दिया तो क्या होगा, एक आंसर मिस हो जाएगा. So I am not doing it. So 3c is equal to c square minus 3c. अब इसका मतलब हम उसको उधर ले जा सकते हैं. So c square minus 6c is equal to 0. I can take c common, c minus 6 is equal to 0. सो c की वैल्यू 0 हो सकती है और 6 हो सकती है. यहाँ से c की वैल्यू आई प्लस माइनस 6, यहाँ से c की वैल्यू आई 0 एंड 6. सो द कॉमन सोल्यूशन इज प्लस 6. सो मेरे हिसाब से द आंसर शुड बी 6. नाउ आई विल चेक वेदर माई आंसर इज सूटेबल टू माई गिवन इक्वेशंस और नॉट. सो हम क्या पुट करना है, c इज इक्वल टू 6. सो लेट अस पुट c इज इक्वल टू 6 हियर. सो द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बिकम्स 6x plus 3y is equal to 6 minus 3, 3. And second equation becomes 12x plus 6y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now let us find out the values. a1 by a2. a1 by a2 will be 6 by 12. That is 1 by 2. b1 by b2. 3 by 6. That is 1 by 2. c1 by c2. Now here you need to take care. एक c1 उधर है, एक c1 इधर है. So I can bring it here. minus 3 लिख सकते हैं हम अब यहाँ पर is equal to क्या हो जाएगा, 0. So c1 by c2 is minus 3 upon minus 6 which is again 1 by 2. And that means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. And hence it has how many solutions? It has infinite solutions. For what value of c? The value which was common in both the parts, and that is 6. I have again written one question wherein you are supposed to find out the values of a and b such that it has infinite solutions. So I have written the condition. Now a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 4. So it is equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to minus of a minus 4 upon minus of a minus 1. So it is a minus 4 upon a minus 1. एंड c1 बाई c2 माइनस से माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो माइनस में 2b प्लस 1 अपॉन में माइनस में 5b माइनस 1, c1 एंड c2. सो दिस बिकम्स 2b प्लस 1 अपॉन 5b माइनस 1. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर्स. So I have got 1 by 2 is equal to a minus 4 upon a minus 1 is equal to 2b plus 1 upon 5b minus 1. Compare these two. A minus 1 is equal to 2, a minus 4 to the 8. So a की value will be 8 minus 1, 7. So value of a is 7. Now let us check first and the last one. So 5b minus 1 is equal to 2 times into 2b plus 1. So 5b minus 1 is equal to 4b plus 2. So now b की value will be equal to 2 plus 1, 3. Now a is equal to 7, b is equal to 3, and if you substitute these values you should be getting a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. You can put these values back into the equation to check whether my answer is correct or not.